Welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. So this is a design problem. We're gonna design an iterator for combination. So this for Leetcode 1286. So we're gonna design combination iterator class. So inside this class, we are giving the init. So for the init, we are giving a character string, and all the characters will be unique. So for example, it is ABC, and we are also giving this combination length. So basically, the length is 2. So now we're gonna call this next and has next. So for ABC, for all the combinations we have with a length of 2, we have AB, AC, and BC. So for the first call next, we're gonna get AB, and then we're gonna check has next. So definitely we has next because we have AC and BC, so it's gonna be true. And then we're gonna call next AC, it's gonna be true, and then we're gonna call BC. But now the next pointer is here. If we are going to call has next, so it's gonna be a false because there's no next. Yeah. So this is gonna be a combination problem. Actually, we can directly use the combination. So from the Python, we're gonna use call the combinations with character and combination length. So here for me, I'm gonna use an array to represent it, and I'm gonna define self I and self.n. So I gonna be 0, n gonna be length of the self.result. So I'm gonna turn the combinations into a list. Yeah. Now I'm gonna use this array to check. Yeah. So let me just prepare an index. So the index is gonna equal to self.I. So if we are going to check the next, definitely this means we have the next, right? So we're gonna return self.result with the index. So this is gonna be the next. But inside it's gonna be an array, and inside the array it's gonna be all the single characters, and we need to draw them together. So we're gonna draw self.result with this index, and for the has next, we're gonna directly return self.I gonna less than self.n. Yeah. So what about this self.I? Because we didn't update it yet, but we can update it. So yeah, we can directly use it actually. So self.I gonna plus equal to 1. Yeah. So here from the beginning, we're gonna assign self.I to the index, and we're gonna return this index. Yeah. But in between, we're gonna update the self.I, go to the next. Yeah. Now let me submit it to check if it works. Now as you can see, it works and it's pretty fast. Yeah. So I think the difficult part maybe if you are not going to use the library of combination, basically you need to write a combination backtrack function to find all the possible cases for the combination with a character string and with a length. So for example, here is 2. Basically, you're gonna need backtracking to find all the possible cases, and it should not be so difficult to write. So basically, here I'm directly using the combination. Actually, the combinations is a backtracking function. Yeah, I think that's all about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.